Welcome to Monday, August 3rd, 2020. And here we are starting off the new week with the Day Weather Podcast. Well, folks, as we head on into the next few days, we're going to basically have the same pattern we had over the weekend. Seasonably warm temperatures, warm but not hot. Afternoon and evening thunderstorms are going to form first over the high country, then they're going to drift off the mountains and onto the plains. That's how the first 2 or 3 days are going to go of the week. So same pattern. Now we will have some severe weather. We'll talk about that here in a minute. Drier air west of the divide. Best rain chances will be east of the divide. We do see a small resurgence in the monsoon moisture pattern during the second half of the week. It's not a big surge, but a little one. Very typical August weather, really the best way to describe what the pattern's going to be like here for the next couple of weeks. Now, the northwest flow, the jet stream is coming in from the northwest, and this will initiate the storms over the mountains. Northwest winds aloft this time of year, and really all times of the year, is the best direction of wind with the jet stream to get something going in the mountains, whether it's snow in the winter or afternoon thunderstorms in the summer. Here we are right now with the current upper level pattern. You can see that we have the jet stream riding along with a ridge of high pressure coming up into the Rockies and diving southeast. There's that northwest flow of air coming into the region with the really hot air bottled up in the interior west, the Great Basin. Those areas will continue to be very hot here to start the week. And this is what the weather pattern is showing for rain chances over the next 4 days. You can see the axis of the moisture lines right up with the front range of the mountains of Montana, Wyoming, into Colorado, then east of the mountains. So if you have a major mountain range, you're going to see showers and thunderstorms get initiated. And downwind of the mountains, you're going to see those chances for showers and thunderstorms. Notice they don't get too far out onto the plains. This is one of these I-25 corridor situations where the I-25 corridor in areas that line up northwest to southeast, just downwind of the mountains, have the best chance of rain. Now, let's talk a little bit about severe weather. This is for today. Notice this arch. Notice how this arch trends from the northwest to the southeast. And along and just east of the divide is where we may see some marginally strong to severe thunderstorms today. Also, hate to say this, but this type of pattern does lend itself to hail. So this is a hail probability. This only shows 5% chance of hail, but a 5% chance of hail is actually fairly high because if you take a big group of thunderstorms and you have some that produce large hail, you're going to have some problems. Just really interesting to note how this all lines up with those upper level wind patterns. Now, going forward, let's look at tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have a high risk of showers and thunderstorms that could be severe just along and east of the front range, something that we're going to need to watch out for. Tomorrow, the risk is a little bit higher, and the risk of severe weather is a little bit further east out onto the plains. And then here's the hail. The hail risk east of I-25 in the eastern plains of Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, western South Dakota, western Kansas. That's the area we got to watch out for bigger hail Tuesday with those thunderstorms. Now, later in the week, this is Friday, the high does shift more towards the east to Texas. That southwest wind flow brings back warmer air into the region. The northwest flow is gone, but the southwest winds will warm us up, but bring subtropical moisture. So Colorado's western slope, this area here, may start to see better chances for showers and thunderstorms. Have a great Monday, everybody. We'll see you on